In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to measure distance in Google Maps. By the end, you'll know how to measure a straight line between 2 points or build a multi-segment path to estimate the length of a route you care about. Start by opening Google Maps in your web browser. Any modern browser works well. Give the map a second to load, then get oriented. You can drag to pan around and use your mouse wheel or the on-screen controls to zoom in and out. Zooming in before you place points will make your measurements more precise, especially around corners or landmarks. Once you've found your starting location, move your cursor to that exact spot and right click. This opens the map's context menu. From the menu, select measure distance. You'll see a small point appear on the map. This locks in your starting position, and a measurement panel will show up at the bottom of the screen to keep track of totals. Now, click anywhere else on the map to create a line from your starting point to this new point. Google Maps immediately shows the distance for that segment and updates the total in the panel. This is perfect for quick straight line checks like gauging how far a park is from your home or the distance across a field. If your route isn't a straight line, keep clicking to add more points. Each click adds another segment and the total distance updates in real time. This lets you follow bends, turns and paths as closely as you like. For better accuracy, place points at each corner or curve and zoom in when you need to snap a point to a specific entrance, trail or intersection. If a point lands slightly off, you can click and drag it into the correct place. You'll see the total adjust as you refine your path. A couple of helpful notes as you work. This tool measures the path you draw on the map. It doesn't provide travel time or route along roads automatically. Think of it as a flexible ruler. The total appears in a small card at the bottom of the map, and it updates with every point you add or move. If you want to start over at any time, right click the map and choose clear measurement to reset everything. That's all there is to it. Open Google Maps, right click your starting point and choose measure distance. Click a second point to get a line, and keep clicking to trace a path if you need a multi-segment measurement. Give it a try on a route you know, and you'll quickly get a feel for how many points you need to get the accuracy you want.